Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Gmail filters to detect phishing emails. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Gmail account in your preferred web browser. Locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From the drop-down, select See All Settings to access the full settings menu. Navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here, you will see a list of all filters you have created. Look for filters that might be set up to redirect or mark emails as important. Pay close attention to any filters that include keywords like verify, update, or security. If you see any suspicious keywords, click Edit next to the filter to review its settings. Check the actions associated with the filter, such as skipping the inbox or marking as read. Make sure the filter is not set to automatically direct emails to trash or a different label. After reviewing, you can choose to delete any suspicious filters by clicking Delete next to them. Next, return to your inbox and look for phishing emails. Recognize signs of phishing, such as poor grammar, vague greetings, or unfamiliar sender addresses. If you find a potentially harmful email, do not click any links contained in it. Instead, report the email by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner of the email. Select Report Phishing from the drop-down menu. This action will help improve Gmail's filtering system for you and other users. Finally, regularly revisit your filters to ensure they remain. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.